theory. So one of the things about theory is an integrated set of principles that explain and predict observed events. Theory is an integrated set of principles that explain and predict observed events. Theory and how they talk about it in the book, they say that it's scientific shorthand is how they call it. They say it also often means less than a fact when people are referring to it in everyday conversation. Some people try to dismiss it as just a theory. However, evolution is a theory, but then also so is gravity. Gravity is treated as a fact, but the fact is that your keys fall to the ground when dropped. But gravity is the theoretical explanation that accounts for such observed facts. So, what are the 4 most important things to know about theory from a social psychology perspective? Well, number 1 is theories explain human behavior. A theory is like a scientific explanation for why people think, feel, or behave the way they do. For example, the social identity theory explains how people act differently when they identify strongly with a group, like a sports team or a cultural community. Number 2, theories help make predictions. Theories are tools for predicting how people might act in certain situations. For instance, cognitive dissonance theory predicts that people feel uncomfortable when their actions don't match their beliefs, so they might change one to match the other. Number 3, theories are based on evidence. Social psychology theories are not just guesses. They're based on research, experiments, and observations of how people behave. For example, psychologists study how people conform in groups to build theories like conformity theory. And number 4, theories can evolve. As new research is done and more data becomes available, theories can be revised or even replaced. For instance, early theories about prejudice were updated as we learn more about unconscious bias and systemic factors. Theories in social psychology are essential because they help us to understand and predict the social world, improving how we interact with others and solve real-world problems.